the exponential advancements in technology and the use of AI, we all know where we want to end up, but the real challenge is knowing where to start. We are here today at Innovation 2025 for the third year, joined by more than 4,000 public sector executives and civil servants with one question in mind: how can data and AI can transform public services?
How our department uses AI, to help our work and does so safely is a big thing. I think there's a lot of development in AI. However, doing so with such sensitive information that we hold is finding that solution is quite difficult. So I think that's definitely something we're looking to do today.
We understand that navigating technical debt is a major problem for numerous organisations. We've been working with organisations to help them understand how using the Microsoft Cloud technology stack can help them to achieve a strategic roadmap.
Fantastic atmosphere, loads of people here asking all sorts of questions about what innovation means for them, what transformation means for them. Everybody, regardless of where they are in the civil service, whatever profession they're in, really realising how technology is going to fundamentally change the way that they work, the way that they deliver services to the citizen. Lots of questions around AI in particular, the opportunities that brings for improving the way they do things, but also some of the challenges around what does it mean for change management, how is their own job going to change in future.
We've had some really exciting conversations today with regulatory organisations from around the UK who are looking to take on the new changes from government. We've also been talking to them about how the Microsoft Cloud technology stack can actually be used as a key enabler to execute those plans.
Technology is developing and improving very fast, and it's very difficult to keep the pace. And since last year we were talking about generative AI, this year we are talking about agentic AI, and next year there will be another type of AI. And how to find the problematic area and how to find it, apply the AI technologies in that field and to solve the problem, it's a main challenge.
It's no surprises that AI and data have been the central talking points today. We've had some amazing interest in our AI Ignite Catalyst program, which helps drive the adoption of AI responsibly.
Witnessing these organizations actively advancing their innovation journeys with CloudSource is truly inspiring. We look forward to further collaborations and delivering digital-first solutions that shapes the future landscape of public services.